Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at a wildlife cam. Usogood, in terms of like you're so good. Usogood is committed to designing, manufacturing, and selling trail cameras and all kind of outdoors electronic products all over the world. We are working on developing a series of different models of wildlife cameras, and I think they have some Wi-Fi ones as well. And they might even have some with the solar kind of panel built in. That's their website. So this is the TC30 trail cam. Let's see what we have inside. And before we get into that, there's the housing is they have a camouflage housing. The trigger is 0.3 seconds. It's really fast. The resolution is 1080p, 24 megapixels, full HD, IP66 waterproof. They say it can be used in multi-environmental use. Time-lapse photography, never miss any moments. 850 nm infrared LED, clear night vision. So yeah, quite impressive. So let's see what we have. So they give us a manual, user manual, with all the information that you need. That's the camera itself. And as you can see, it is with the camouflage pattern. You can see leaves in there, tree branches. It's quite sturdy, hard plastic. So that's where you can access the LCD, and then you have buttons. You can even have it constantly plugged in. So just make sure that that's covered. And this is where you're gonna insert your batteries. And it's not only 4, it's 8. Don't know if they say anywhere, but you have to plug in all of them in there. So they do include batteries as well. So that's the I wish this was made of metal, because plastic can easily break, but that's what you use to put around the tree. And then we also have a USB A to C, maybe in case you want to transfer onto your phone. These are the batteries they give you. These are not rechargeable, so you will need to buy your own, but they do last quite a bit. And then you also have they also kindly included a 32 gig micro SD card. Actually, SD card. If I can take it out, show you. Yeah, it doesn't have much information, but it should be fine for this. I'm sure they tested it before. So that goes in there. And via this probably you can do updates and all kind of stuff, which you can probably learn from the user manual. As you can see in here, they show you how high to put it for different animals. So 2 meters high for reindeers, and 1 meter for a small animal like rabbits. I just want to see one thing. If they give more information about number 8, USB interface. Okay, so let's just turn it on. Yes, you see I've already have one in there. I'm gonna install another one. I had some spare batteries already, so I haven't used the ones included. But let's see how we turn it on. So as you can see, I have on, test, and off. So we'll just go on. Let's have a quick look. It's not starting for some reason. Okay guys, so apparently there's a specific way to put them in. I'll show you in just a second. Let's see if it works or it explodes. Looks like it works. So let's just lock it. So the way I've installed the batteries, as you can see, plus should be up, minus, plus, minus, so in that order, otherwise you won't work. So let's turn it on, and that's how it is. So you will select your language, that's okay, and then you put a date. Don't even know what's today. 6. The 6th or 7th. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Time. See if it goes the other faster. Okay. And the first question is if you want to format the SD card, and you say yes. So you can see I've covered the camera because it was quite annoying. So let's have a look at the menu. So you have the mode, photo, video, and photo. So I'm going to select that. Let's see, photo resolution. So obviously the bigger, the more storage it will take. So I'm going to just go, actually I'm happy with that for now. Photo series, 1 photo, 2 photos in a series. I'll just leave it on 1. Video resolution, and on this one is on the highest, which that's how I like it. Video length, let's see what we have in here. 10 seconds, I'll just make it 15 seconds. Cycles, yeah, sorry, I went in this. Cycle storage, what's this about? I don't know, maybe it just deletes the photos. I'll leave it on off for now. PIR interval, I'll just leave it as default because I don't know. PIR sensitivity, IR brightness, and as you can see it's on middle. I'll leave it like that. There's also an option to save energy. Let's go down. Side motion sensors, they are on. We leave it like that. So these are the sides. So if someone comes from the sides, it will activate the camera. Target recording time, that's off. Time lapse, languages, and let me show you what kind of languages we have. And that's pretty much it. How do I go? I'll just leave it on English. I guess you just go like that. Time and date. Can you actually change it? So you can change your time format in here. 24 hours is fine. Date format. So we'll just do day, month, year. That's what I'm used to. And then serial number, temp unit. Just put it in Celsius. Beep sound. Auto recording. That's on at the moment. What else? Stamp. So you can have the stamp or not. Password protection, so you can even put a password. Format memory card and reset settings and the version. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna put it back into the on mode. Yeah, and as you can see, it will get activated, and you should normally take some photos. So let's just keep it like this a bit. Obviously I didn't remove any of the protection because I'm not ready to use it. So we'll just see if it captures my hand moving around. And let's do a night one as well, where we turn off all light. Okay, let's see what we have. So we'll open it up. We'll put it in the on mode, test mode. We'll cover this camera again. And let's see where we're gonna see the photos. This is menu. No, mode. And there you have it. These are the photos. Actually, that's a video. So yeah guys, there you have it. Bye bye. I think it's a really good camera. It's a really good company. So I'm gonna test it. I like to take it in the wild while I go for a walk, and then you just go and collect it, and you have a beautiful surprise when you see a deer or a rabbit or any wildlife animals. So yeah, thank you for watching guys. Hope you enjoyed it.